Hi, my name's Kimberly Jones, and this is my final lesson plan on how to make baggy ice cream. So what you're going to need is a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, tablespoon, a quarter teaspoon, a small sandwich bag, a gallon sandwich bag, and I've already filled mine halfway full with ice. Rock salt, sugar, vanilla, and milk. So to make baggy ice cream, we're going to take our small Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put my bag inside of a cup because I'm doing this by myself and I don't have anyone to hold this for me. This would be similar for a student who needs help. You could put it inside of something with a larger opening while you're making it. So the first thing we're going to do is add a half a cup of milk. Our tablespoon of sugar. Our quarter teaspoon, do not use a quarter cup, of vanilla. And then you seal the small bag. Then we're going to take our bag of ice and add in our 6 tablespoons of salt. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to take our baggie with the milk ingredients, shove it down in your ice and salt, and then you shake it for 10 minutes. You're going to set a timer and have yourself, your kiddos, shake that bag up for 10 minutes until you get baggy ice cream. Hope you enjoy.